A very good evening to all of you. So here is Pragya from, I'm the fitness coach of Bridgewell, and Sunitra is here. Sunitra is the wellness coach of Know Your Wellbeing. So today we are here to discuss about the weight loss plateau. So weight loss plateau is very crucial when we are in weight loss process. Today we will discuss about what is the various reason of weight loss plateau and what are the solution to break it. So Srinitra will start about what are the various reason of weight loss plateau with a little introduction of herself. So over to Sunitra.
Good evening, everybody. This is the episode 3, season 3 of our health and wellness sessions that we have been running for the past 3 months. Happy Navratri start to all of you. So, today, as Pragya mentioned, that we are going to talk about weight loss plateau, the reasons and the solutions. I am the wellness coach from Know Your Wellbeing. And as Pragya mentioned, she is the fitness coach from Bridgewell Solutions. Now, as the topic goes by, now we have been running successfully weight loss programs, and people who are part of this weight loss programs or whoever other than that, the people have a question as to what is this weight loss plateau. Now, if you have been on a weight loss program for a few weeks strictly without cheating and seeing the scale number going down steadily every day, and then one day suddenly it stops for a few days or even goes up a bit, you're wondering what you're doing wrong. Well, here is when you reach that plateau stage. First of all, you need to understand that weight loss is not a linear process. That as you continue doing your diet chart or you follow your diet chart, you keep doing the exercises or maintain your sleep, it is not going to be steadily going down the same manner from day one. Herein lies the importance and the significance of a coach also, because he or she will be customizing your needs and fulfill the gaps. Now, what happens? So, Pragya will be covering that section. If I have to see what is it a little deeper into what is that weight loss plateau. So, as I mentioned to you, that it is not a linear process. So, what happens that most people, what is the assumption when people start with the weight loss program? That if I'm following a strict diet, my body weight will drop consistently every day. That means that what we see on the scale today should be smaller than yesterday. But this is often not the case. It is very normal for your body weight to fluctuate up and down by a few pounds. Some days you may lose, while some other days you may gain a little bit of weight. Now, what happens initially? When that fall happens, it is usually you drop a lot of water weight, or or another term could be not exactly same to the water weight. It is the easy weight that we lose. So initially, when people start with the exercises or start with the diet chart under the consultation of a health coach or on their own, at times they do, then they see after some days they have gone through a lot of weight reduction, but then it comes to a standstill. Now, what could be the reason? This is because your body burns through the glycogen, the complex chains of glucose stored in your liver and muscles. Each gram of glycogen is stored in the muscle with at least 3 grams of water. After the first couple of weeks, your body will start to adjust and find a new balance, and your glycogen stores refill. Yes, your body can still refill some glycogen stores in muscles, and this means a bit of water also will be restored again. So let's not get into all these details. If you are interested, you can further get in touch with me or Pragya, and we will help you undergo this program if you're seriously considering for weight loss. Now, primarily, it has been found that if we have to look at what are the reasons that we reach this weight loss plateau, it is why are we calling a plateau? Because no matter if you have been doing the same thing, the same kind of exercise, the same kind of diet chart that has helped you in the past few weeks to reduce your weight, now it is not moving an inch, and that's why it is called a plateau. So, what are the probable reasons that has been found? One is maybe you are not being able to digest the kind of food that you're having, as a result of which there's been accumulation of waste, and that's the reason your body weight is increasing. Or uh, the time of the day you are weighing yourself also matters. If you had a lot of exercise and you drank a lot of water, then that weight will obviously add to your weight that you are weighing at that time. Also, it is seen that depending on the kind of exercise that you're doing, you work out and you gain muscle. So you may have lost a pound of weight, and you might have gained a pound of muscle as well. So it is not exactly the right way to check your body weight all the time. You should also consider whether you're losing on your inches as well. However, coming back to that reason, as I was mentioning, so the initial part you're losing your easy weight. Then when you reach that plateau, then is this stubborn weight. Now for a stubborn weight, you can't continue with the same kind of diet that you've been successful so far, or the same kind of diet that you've been following so far. For that, you need a health consultant, and who will guide you and exactly look into what stage you have reached, and accordingly make the changes in your exercise. Possibly you might need a higher intensity exercise, or you might need a change in the diet. And it has also been found out that at times when we reach that certain level, we are like feeling uh, a mission accomplished, that feeling of accomplishment is there, and we start cheating ourselves, and we go on some cheat days, but that adds back to whatever we might have lost. So that's the reason we reach the plateau level. So it is usually found that whenever you're going to the weight loss program, you lose some weight at a particular rate, and then you reach that plateau. So that's the reason you need to, with the same kind of diet change and same kind of exercise, it is also important that you need to look at your stress level, into the sleep you are going through, and what are the kind of calories you're eating. So I would advise that please don't go through Google, because Google is not a research engine, it's a search engine. So please take the consultation of a proper consultant who is going to guide you with the exact plan, and don't hop around. You have been following 1 week with one person, another week with another person. Stick to a person, go through that plan for a minimum period, whatever you've been advised to, and then only you will find the change in you. And it is usually a period, because if you undergo a weight loss at a very drastic rate, then that is not a very holistic manner. Either it is going to damage your health, or it is not going to be sustainable. You are again going to gain back the weight that you have lost, or it might cause some damage to your health as well, which you might not realize in the first instance, because at that point of time you might be feeling very happy, or you might be getting all the praises around, and think that whatever your mission was, you've been able to get to that goal. And so here I would like to pass on to Pragya. She will explain further what are the possible solutions that you can undertake to overcome this plateau. Over to you, Pragya.
Yes, thank you, Sunitra. So Sunitra has elaborated very nicely about what is the various reason of our weight loss plateau. So weight loss plateau का reason ये constantly हम लोग same diet और same workouts जब follow करते हैं तो weight loss plateau create होता है. So that time what we need we need a mentor to guide how to break that weight loss plateau. So that time we need to हमें अपना मेटाबॉलिज्म को कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा. Then we need to take care about of our calorie to proper workout and diet. और वो सब के लिए हमें एक मेंटर चाहिए जो कि आपको आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म कंट्रोल करने के लिए हेल्प करेगा, आपका कितना डेली कैलोरी इनटेक उसके लिए हेल्प करेगा, आपका वर्कआउट बिकॉज एवरीवन हैज अ डिफरेंट बॉडी टाइप. So different type of different people need different kind of workout, different kind of diet to break the plateau of weight. That's why here the role of mentor is very important. So we need to keep a track on our diet at that time along with our workout. So बहुत सारे लोग कितने लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होता है अपर बॉडी फैट लॉस करने के लिए, कितने लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होता है लोअर बॉडी फैट लॉस करने के लिए. तो मेरे बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स हैं जो लोग बोलते हैं कि अपना वेट लॉस अपर बॉडी जिनका अपर बॉडी कुछ टाइम के बाद वेट लॉस करना बंद कर देता है, किस किस का लोअर बॉडी वेट लॉस करना बंद कर देता है. तो वहाँ पे एक प्लेट्यू क्रिएट होता है. तो उसको वो प्लेट्यू को ब्रेक करने के लिए हमें बहुत सारे चेंजेस करना पड़ेगा. And that is different from person to person. And at that time तो क्या होता है कि कोई लोगों का 1 month भी लगता है ब्रेक करने के लिए, 2 months लगता है ब्रेक करने के लिए. तो वहाँ पे लोगों का मोटिवेशन लूज हो जाता है. तो that time the health coach will help you to break that plateau. So through that process you can understand your body type, you can understand what is the requirement of your body. And our body is it's like a vehicle. So we need to understand the amount of how much fuel we need to put into our body to increase the efficiency of vehicle. So here हम जब weight loss plateau break करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो we need some close analysis to break it. So here the mentor will guide you how to break the weight loss plateau and how to proceed further. So I'm done here with a brief solution. Okay. So if you need in details how to break the weight loss plateau, then you can reach out to me and or you can reach out to Sunitra from Know Your Wellbeing, and you can reach out to me from Bridgewell. Okay. So if Sunitra will add something here. So over to Sunitra. If you want to add some solution here, you can add.
Yes, Pragya. As I was mentioning, so as I've been mentioning, there are 3 points for which we reach that weight loss plateau. So one is our body gets accustomed to the weight loss that we have got. The metabolism slows down, and the third is you might have need to change the exercise and the diet that have helped you so far. So apart from these things, as we have been focusing, harping on the fact that it is very essential that we go for an individual coach who is going to, because each individual is different. There is no custom made, there's no one plan fits all kind of thing. So it is customized that needs your individual attention. So this is what we would like to focus on.
Yes, that's true. It's true that you need some guidance from your mentor to guide you how to break the plateau when you're reaching that plateau level. So I am going to conclude here about weight loss plateau topic. Okay. So there is a science behind weight loss. So we need to take care of our hair, we need to take care of our skin, we need to take care of our immunity through this weight loss process. So weight loss के लिए हमें starvation mode में नहीं जाना चाहिए. So we cannot lose weight by only doing exercise, by only following proper diet without any exercise, by only taking protein without following any balanced diet and customized exercise. So we need a complete understanding about our body to maintain it in long run. Okay, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम के बाद आप वेट लॉस करते हो और कोई क्रैश डाइट करते हैं, कीटो डाइट करते हैं, देन आफ्टर सम टाइम इट इज लाइक इन फ्यूचर इट इज वेरी डेंजरस. सम पीपल गेन वेट, some people like I have one client who lost weight of 25 kg in keto diet, and again she gained 40 kg. So in that way, like it is very dangerous. Okay, so we need to follow a balanced diet, we need to follow proper exercise, we need to follow what are the proper intake of protein, carbohydrate, fat. So we need to maintain our after losing weight, we need to maintain it to stay away from all kind of diseases like PCOD, thyroid, arthritis, because जैसे जैसे अपना एज बढ़ते जाता है तो फिर अपना बॉडी का मेटाबॉलिज्म स्लो होता है, देन द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग दिस पीसीओडी, द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग दिस थायराइड, आर्थराइटिस, दिस बीपी, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, it is higher. So that's why if you are maintaining your weight after losing weight, then like it will be very helpful. You don't need to depend on other person for your health special. So connect with us if you need any personal guidance for weight loss and fitness, because we are conducting online group workout along with the guidance guidance for weight loss through proper diet, and even we are helping to how to break the weight loss plateau. The health coach will help you how to break the weight loss plateau. So thanks for watching. So stay happy and stay healthy, and bye for today. We'll again meet in our next session. Happy Navratri to all of you. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
So if you have any questions, then you can share in my page, okay, or you share in visual page, or you can share in Know Your Wellbeing, so that we will take care of it. Okay, we will try to answer it. So we are done here. Thank you.